Come on.
Come on, worm. You have to die for this.
Do you need me to help it to move it?
Yes. I need you to help.
Ew, this is gross.
Why is it
What
gross?
if you just open the beak?
She's tired. Or he. Come on, wake up. Did you know the big one has its eyes open already? This one doesn't.
Stop, you're gonna give brain damage.
You want this worm?
What if you grab the beak like that? Like.
Well, that one can't get up because of that baby is sitting on him. And she has
Dude, this one's gonna open his mouth. Look! Oh my god!
My man! Why do you keep moving?
But this is sick.
See, she doesn't.
Drop it. Just drop it fast.
Do it again.
Oh, that's awesome. Now it's just stuck there.
Okay, come on. Oh, you got it. I'm gonna cut up a little bit. Ew, worm guts got on my sweater.
There. Oh my god. Did it eat it?
Yes, it's swallowing. That's how it swallowed.
I think it needs water, Ma. Go grab a Q-tip and then we just push water on it.
She wants more food. You could cut up the worms.
I'm not cutting up nothing.
Wait, the cotton swab?
Yeah.
Here you go.
We need water.
Then it has more water. But the mom usually puts spit all over the worm.
Well, how are we gonna? I'm not gonna spit on that. Try to make it open its mouth.
Here. I'll put this one here.
Try to make it open its beak. I mean. See, and it wants water. Squirt it.
Oh, you never told me to squirt it.
Okay, ready?
Right camera, she never said.
Not now.
Oh, when you tell me to?
Yeah.
I won't because that one's sitting on his legs.
Well, we're not touching it.
Touch. Is it drinking?
I don't know.
She's like. Squirt. Mom, did that one hatch a week earlier than the other one? Because that's what I think.
I don't know, baby.
Because that one has fur, like, see?
This one is bigger, and it's yellowish. I think it's, Mommy, I think they're gonna die because they haven't been with their mom. Open your mouth, fucker. Squirt it.
Yeah, he likes the water.
Come on, get him more. Take the stuff out of there.
Okay. Do they like that water?
Okay, ready?
Yes.
Open it.
Hija,
Come on.
¿podemos hacer nuestro cuarto así?
Espera, amor. Come on. Yeah, why not?
Es de poquito,
I know. Pero cuando le mojamos el pico y le empiezan a abrir, ella le mete el...
He's so tiny,
Ay, qué bárbaro.
Sí.
La gente dijo que te durmieras ahí. Y nomás ustedes, ¿eh? Porque a mí no.